Let's make avocado toast. You take one ripe avocado, split it in half, seed it, and place the inside of the avocado inside of a bowl. Next, you'll take a pinch of kosher salt. It needs to be kosher salt because kosher salt is a coarse salt. You don't want table salt. Next, you're going to use about a half teaspoon of minced garlic. Now, when I'm making guacamole, I use lime, but when I'm just making a smashed avocado for avocado toast, I use lemon. I squeeze that into the bowl, and then I just proceed to smash it. It's more like a smashed avocado. As far as the bread is concerned, I would not suggest a white bread at all. Some people use wheat, but I really like a whole grain bread, 12 grain or more, and seeds. That's my preference, but you can choose any grain of bread you would like. And I pop it in the toaster, and when it's done, I just place it on the plate. I let it cool for a couple of minutes just so that it doesn't melt the avocado when you put it on top of the toast. Now that it has cooled off for a couple of minutes, I'll just take the smashed avocado and place it on each slice of toast. You don't want to make the layer too thick, but you don't want to make it too thin. I sprinkle a little sesame seed across the top. Of course, if you're not a fan of sesame seed, you can omit this ingredient. Next, I take my pepper grinder and I crack the freshly ground pepper over the top of the toast. And here you are, avocado toast. If you've never made your own avocado toast, try this and let me know in the comments how it turned out. See you next time.